Tired of your Apple Pay cash just sitting there? Let's get that money working for you by transferring it straight to your bank account. First, unlock your iPhone and find the Wallet app. It's usually a white icon with a black card image on it, so go ahead and tap that to open it up. Inside the Wallet app, you'll see your Apple Cash card. Take a look to find your current Apple Cash balance displayed right on the card. This is the amount you can transfer. Next, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More button, typically located in the upper right corner of the Apple Cash card. Tap those three dots to open a menu. A menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Transfer to Bank or something similar, like Transfer to Bank Account. Tap that option to start the transfer process. Now you'll see a screen where you can enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in the amount you want to move from your Apple Cash balance to your bank account. Before you finalize the transfer, you'll see a confirmation screen. This screen will show you the amount you are transferring and also give you an estimated transfer time. Standard transfers are usually free and take 13 business days. You might also see an option for an instant transfer, but be aware that this option usually comes with a small fee. Review all the information carefully. Finally, to confirm the transfer, you'll likely be asked to use Touch ID, Face ID, or your passcode for authentication. Once you do that, your transfer is initiated. You should then see a confirmation message letting you know that your transfer is complete, and that's it. Your money is on its way to your bank account. Enjoy.